What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to go live through Twitter's new Spaces feature. This is just a new way to live stream on Twitter, and it allows you to have multiple people talking at the same time with an infinite amount of listeners. In order to do this, you're going to head over to your homepage, and then under the fleets, all the way to the left, you're going to see a fleet for your profile picture. Even though you didn't post anything yet, this is an option for you to create a space for Twitter. Once you click that option, you're going to name your space, just have a title for what you're going to be talking about in the space, and then you have the option to start it right away or have it scheduled for later. I just started mine right away for an example. And then from here, there's all sorts of features that you could do as far as promoting your space or editing it to the highest capability. You can play around with these features, but arguably the most important one is the button to share this space all the way at the bottom. It's just going to come up with a default tweet, but you could remove the text and just keep the link if you want. And then once you tweet that out, all of your followers are going to see that in their feed, and they could easily just join your space, and you could have a nice space going in Twitter. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you had any questions on the Twitter Spaces, I know it's fairly new. I'm willing to answer them down below. Just leave a comment and let me know. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.